be reading a short book written by Jade Metr, illustrated by Yulia Zigulova, Fluffy Duck in the Tub. The original story you can find at the website Storyberries.com. The link you can find in the description down below. Enjoy! Get up, Fluffy Duck. It's time to rub-a-dub. Fluffy Duck hops in the tub. Plump. Lucky Fluffy Duck. He huffs and puffs in the bubbles. He has fun with a cup, a mug, and a jar. He even sucks his thumb. He washes all the mud from his tummy. And he washes the dust from his butt. He lifts his wings up, up, up. He makes a big fuss. Spins like an umbrella. Spin, spin, spin. He makes a ruckus. That cheeky ball of fluff. Hey, Mum, this is fun! Stay in the bath, bud. Back in the tub, go back in. Rub-a-dub-dub. In comes Mum. The rubber pup. Fluffy Duck hugs Rubber Pup. Lucky Fluffy Duck.